Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your resume to LinkedIn so recruiters can find and download it easily. For that, first of all, you wanna go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC and then search for linkedin.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon and then simply tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, you will then be able to find an option that says data privacy. Tap onto it, and inside here scroll below and under job seeking preferences, go ahead and tap on job application settings. And just like that, inside here you will then be able to find an option that says upload your resume. Just like that, tap on this option and upload your resume in this section. Also, if you're uploading for a job application, when you're applying for a job on LinkedIn, and when you tap on easy apply on the job post, there is an option to upload your resume before submitting. You can upload it once and save it for future application too. And that's it guys, now your resume is visible and ready for job opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.